Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Remington portable here on the bench. This is the one that has the raising type bars. Move this little lever, and up they go. Okay, this machine is pretty much ready to go back to the customer. Typing pretty good for an old timer. But there is one thing. Let's see if it goes red. Sort of. Missed the first one, but I'm not going to worry about that too much. Okay, so here's what I was going to show on this typewriter though. This one's got a unique feature, not on most typewriters, but see these little marks right here on the Platen roller? You can barely see them, but if you press this little button here, they move up. When they move up, they put a little gap in there. That's just big enough for a piece of, like maybe some kind of index card or something. So you raise that up, stick that through the little, get it even through here, let it down, roll it right on through, and there it is, holding tight. So I think these were for pharmacies or some other special application type of thing. But one good thing about this is it really holds it right to the end, so you can get right to the last line here and type on that without it moving. So I guess that's maybe what it was for. And then you just raise it up, bring it back, pop it right on out. Pretty neat. I forget what the official name is for those, but I just thought I would highlight that on today's video. The machine is looking pretty good here. All right, let's set this back down. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.